Now, let us learn one more grammar concept for today. Today, we are going to learn les pronoms toniques, which is the disjunctive pronoun. This pronoun is used after a preposition. For a je, the disjunctive pronoun would be moi. Moi. It is pronounced as moi. Moi means me or myself. Moi. So for tu, in the tu conjugation we say toi. Moi, toi. Toi means yourself. Moi, toi. For il, we say lui. Lui. It means himself. Himself. Lui. For elle, it is elle itself. Herself. For elle, it remains the same. For je, it is moi. For tu, it is toi. For il, it is lui. For elle, it is elle. It remains the same. For nous, it is nous. For vous, it is also vous. Okay? So, nous means ourselves. Vous means yourselves. For il, it is a. E-U-X. A. It means themselves. For elle, it is elle. It also means themselves. So, this is the pronoun tonic. So, for je, it is moi. For tu, it is toi. For il, it is lui. For elle, it is elle. For nous, it is nous. For vous, it is vous. For il, it is a. For elle, it is elle. So, you need to remember these words, as we are going to use these in sentences often. Moi, toi. Moi means myself. Toi means yourself. Lui. Lui means himself. Elle, herself. Nous, ourselves. Vous, yourselves. Themselves. Elle, themselves. So, once again, just say this along with me. Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, elle. So, shall we see some examples of sentences using the pronoun tonic?